number of fonts that you wish. If you don't like the fonts that was generated, you can select from other loads of fonts. You can see them all here. You can also select colors, your slogan. Just you can also decide to change your slogan or change the font size. You can make it lowercase. You can increase the size. You can space it a bit. You can see it. You can space it. So there's so much you can do with this. Next is symbol. So you can change the symbols if you don't like what you have. You can change it. You can change it. You can select from here and choose. If you click on this, you can choose what you like. So there are different options. Different options. So there's no way it's not going to meet your business or your brand need. So you select them. The next thing is the container where the logo is placed. You can decide to change it. You can see. So you can see it is currently a square. You can decide to choose your container, and so that's pretty much everything. Very easy. And see, the next thing to do is so the next question now is, how do we get this out? How do we get this out? Hmm, that's quite tricky because the only option you have is to buy, and I'm not sure most of us are ready to buy. So what I do most times is I screenshot, I screenshot. Let's do it again. It's already saved. Sorry. Okay, let's just just click on this icon tool and click on here and go around it. So these are for those who don't want to spend money. I've showed you a trick. So that's what you should do. And when you're done, you click on save as. So you can see your logo is ready. Okay, I already have, let's give it logo one. So yeah.